Have you ever wondered where chocolate comes from? Its roots go way further back than you might think. This beloved treat we savor today traces its origins to the ancient Maya and Olmecs of southern Mexico. For them, chocolate wasn't the sweet dessert we know and love. Instead, it was consumed as a bitter beverage, a far cry from the creamy confections we're familiar with. But it wasn't just a drink. It held significant importance in Mayan and Aztec cultures, used in ceremonies, and as a form of currency. So the next time you enjoy a piece of chocolate, remember its ancient origins. But how did chocolate journey from the ancient Americas to Europe? This intriguing tale begins in the late 1500s. It was then that chocolate, still a bitter beverage, crossed the Atlantic and landed in the opulent Spanish court. The exotic drink quickly became a tantalizing favorite, and the trend began to spread. As the century turned, Europe's wealthiest citizens sought new ways to indulge in this luxury. Thus, the first chocolate houses sprang up in the heart of European cities. These establishments were more than just cafes, they were symbols of status and wealth. Now, before we venture further into chocolate's European conquest, make sure to subscribe and join us on this delicious journey. From the courts of Spain, chocolate began to conquer the European continent. Yet the chocolate we know and love today is quite different from its ancient form. How did that happen? Enter Dutch chemist Coenraad van Houten, who discovered a way to transform cacao beans into powdered chocolate. This made chocolate not only more affordable, but also paved the way for a sweeter era. In the 19th century, this powdered chocolate inspired the creation of the first chocolate bars and milk chocolate, forever changing the way we indulge in this treat. Then, Swiss chocolatiers added another layer of sophistication by inventing machines that could create smooth, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate. This innovation took the world by storm, making chocolate synonymous with luxury and pleasure. As the demand for chocolate soared, family companies like Cadbury, Mars, and Hershey stepped in. They mass-produced chocolate confections, making it a staple in households worldwide. Today, most chocolate is highly refined and mass-produced, but there is a growing demand for ethically and sustainably produced chocolate. So the journey of chocolate continues, evolving with our tastes and values.